will be equal to t. Only as the movement is along x-axis, there will be change in the distance along x-axis only. This is equation 1 of our relation. This equation 1 relates distances like this. Equation 1 relate distances in frame of reference S and S dash. So the measurement of physical quantities in one frame of reference can be transformed into another frame of reference with the help of equation 1. Equation 1 will make transformations, and these transformation equations are called Galilean transformation. This calculation, this portion of the article is a proof of law of addition of velocity. Newton's laws of motion remain invariant under Galilean transformation. Now differentiating equation 1, this equation 1, with respect to t, we have this form. X dash is equal to x minus ut will be dx dash over dt is equal to d by dt x minus ut. Now law of addition of velocity and law of Newton's law invariant is dealt under law of relative motion attributed to Galileo. After simplifying it, we get dx by dt as v dash, as v is equal to dx by dt, so v dash will be equal to dx dash by dt. Hence this dx dash by dt will be written as v dash, and after simplifying this we get v minus u, term it as equation number 2. From this we can find the value of v, which is equal to v dash plus u, and this is law of addition of velocity. U is the relative velocity of the two frame of references. Now this portion of the article is a proof of Newton laws remains invariant. We know that Newton's law have a mathematical form showing acceleration, velocity, time, or F is equal to ma. Now dv dash by dt is equal to dv by dt minus du by dt. U is constant. This is a dash, this is a, right? U is constant, so du by dt is equal to 0 here. We are only left with dv dash by dt is equal to dv by dt, as this portion u being constant becomes 0, and these a and a dash are the acceleration in s and s dash. In s and s dash, m remains the same, so m a dash is equal to ma. Hence Newton laws remain invariant under Galilean transformation. Now in Maxwell, if Maxwell's equations are transformed from S to S, the form of these equation changes. Newton laws remains invariant while Maxwell equations shows a change.